Welcome to the ezfocus iOS application tutorial part 2. To plan your days and schedule your calls, simply go to the top left corner and select the button and scroll down to schedule. Here what you will do is you will choose the day that you would like to schedule your call and the time. Simply click in the cell, and here you can add all of your information. You can change the date and the time, select the store type, select the client you would like to visit. You will have all of the stores that are assigned to you show up in this cell. You can simply scroll or type to find the store you're looking for. You will see the store number, then a number next to OD, which means the days you are overdue in seeing the specific store, the name of the store, and the address. You can select what kind of visit will it be, standard call, quick call, phone call, email, or others. You can set a reoccurrence for this. Is this a call that you will be making daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, 4 weeks, and so on? If you select a reoccurrence, it is important to select a reoccurrence until date. So if this is a reoccurrence that you would like to happen for the next 2 months, please make sure to select so, because if you do not select a reoccurrence date until, it will set that reoccurrence for the next 6 months. And you can also save this to your calendar, whether it be Outlook or Google. When you have entered all of your information, simply select Save, and your call will have saved in your schedule at the time that you have selected it. You can then click on the call that you have planned. You can delete it or make edits if you've made a mistake, or go to the store and your visit window will open up. And of course, you can go to any tab in this store that you would like. And of course, the call that you have scheduled shows up at the top, and you can see that it is a planned call because you have the option to select Done. Now let's go back to your dashboard by selecting Back and the 3 buttons at the top, and click Home. Let's look for a product. You can select any products from your product list, and from here you can go to Top Stores. And here you will see where your product is listed and what stores, and where it is not listed. You simply scroll down, you see where your product is listed with the 1, and when you see zeros, that's where it is not listed. In this view, you can also select different columns by clicking the arrow button at the top right, and you can select from different columns you would like to see, which account type, and once you've made your selections, simply click that button again. From this page, you can select any store by clicking on the store, and again, your store card will open up, and you can go to your objectives, your visits, and your info. Now let's go back to your menu and let's go to objectives. If you don't see any objectives, simply click the top right arrow and make sure that the account type that you're calling on is properly selected. And your objectives will show up. Now from here, you can simply open your objective and scroll through and see where you want to plan for your objectives, or if you've completed some, or you know that you have some that have been rejected. PL is for planned, CP is for completed, and RJ is rejected. If the objective requires an image to be attached, you will not be able to complete it unless you attach an image. To attach a picture, simply click on the end of the objective and you will have a pop-up. You can put notes and select to take a picture. And when you click save, it will save for that objective. When looking at a specific objective, and if it is attached to a product, you can actually scroll in the current distribution to see if your product is listed. Where there is a 0, it is not. But where you see a 1 means that the product is listed. The next section we're going to go to is your map. This will show you all of the stores within your territory, and you can zoom in to see the stores in a specific section and click on an icon to see what the store is, and if you click on the I for info, the store itself will open up. The next section we will go to is settings. This is where you can remove and add widgets to your dashboard, as well as clear the cache if you're having any issues. And this is where you'll see what version of the app you're currently running in case you're having any issues. That's one of the first things we'll ask you. Next section we will go to is My Reports. And this is where you can access the detailed call report and the sales and inventory report. However, keep in mind that this will simply open the browser for you.